So we've got our certificates ready, and we've got our provisioning profiles ready. We have our app sitting in iTunes Connect, waiting for our binary. Now we're going to have a look at how we archive the application and upload it to iTunes Connect. So we'll start by code signing it and adding the provisioning profiles to the build settings. Then we'll archive the app in preparation for submission to the iTunes Connect. And then we'll upload to iTunes Connect using Organizer. In the last two videos, we've set up our provisioning profiles and code signing identities. And we've created an application within iTunes Connect which is waiting for us to upload the binary. So now we need to go through the process of creating that binary. So let's go to our project, and then we'll go to our build settings. And we'll scroll down until we get to the part that says Code Signing. Within my DreamSeeker target, I'm going to select the DreamSeeker Distribution App Store. And for my code signing, I'll make sure it's set to the certificate that I need it to be. For DreamSeeker Watch, I'll do the same, except I'll use the DreamSeeker Watch provisioning profile. And again for the DreamSeeker extension, except using the DreamSeeker Watch extension for this one. Next, a very important thing is that we need to actually select the generic iOS device as our target simulator. If we don't select this, we're not able to archive, as it will be grayed out in the menu. When we select this, we can go to Product, and then Archive. And this will build our archive, which is our code-signed binary that we use for uploading to the App Store. Xcode has got an inbuilt function for uploading to the App Store and connects directly to it. So once we've compiled and built and archived it, it'll open up another window, which is our organizer. And it shows us all of the different archives that we have. So here we have the DreamSeeker archive. Now, I'll just click Upload to App Store. The first thing it does is ask me to select the team that I want to work with. So I'll select my team. It then prepares the archive and all the frameworks that we need for uploading the binary. I'm happy with this, so I'll click Upload. It prepares the archive, signs all of the different frameworks, signs the IPA file, and begins the uploading process. It connects directly to iTunes Connect, and then uploads our binary to our iTunes Connect. And that's it. We now have our binary up on iTunes Connect, where we can go through the process of submitting it. For further information about the App Store guidelines, please visit the Developer Portal, which also has some fantastic information around common rejection reasons and how to avoid these. And so that brings us to the end of this section and to the end of this course. In this section, we created a distribution certificate and the provisioning profiles necessary to code sign our application. Then, we set the app up in iTunes Connect and archived it and uploaded it to iTunes Connect. And so that brings us to the end of this course. I hope you found this very useful, and thank you very much for your time.